Hello, Mr. Raju.
Hi, how are you?
You are from India, right?
Yeah, exactly.
I think through today's store, you already know about Beston rice and those products. Do you
Yeah.
think our product meet with India market?
Yeah, of course, why not? Yeah, sure. We have been working with you for around 12 years along with you, and we
Yeah.
have bought many rides with you.
Mhm.
And your service and everything was fantastic actually.
How do you see
So
about
now also
it?
recently also we got a Ferris wheel, 20
Uh-huh.
meter Ferris wheel from your company, and it's okay, it's going on well.
We appreciate
But
your support.
thank you. We are planning to get this drop tower and this 360
Yeah.
pendulum. Hope everything goes well, we can take it.
How do you think about the pendulum?
Yeah, pendulum is good. We have two options here in pendulum. One is 180 degrees, up to 180 degrees for the family, right? And for thrilling guys, it's around 360 degrees.
Yeah.
Two options I have given.
Yeah.
First time in China, maybe. They give either 360 or 180.
Yeah. The important thing that you have choice.
Yeah.
You don't need, when someone go to the park, you're
Yeah.
afraid that, oh, this one's too thrilling. I'm afraid of that. And now you have the choice.
Yeah,
I
correct.
think
Yeah.
that's a good thing. How about the drop tower?
Drop tower also very smooth actually. It's very smooth and no noise. Other companies, it's very smooth and up and down rotating. The whole thing is very nice. The column rotating and the thing also that rotating around the seaters is very nice actually.
Do you notice the cable?
Yeah, the cable and that theming part, UFO theming part on the above that. That is
the
very
cable.
nice. Yeah.
I want to mention that even one cable can ensure the safety, but for us, we use four.
Four cables, yeah, noted there.
Four
yeah.
times
Yeah,
safety.
yeah,
for
yeah.
that.
Yeah,
How
understand.
do you
Yeah.
think about the Beston service?
Customer service is really good actually.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, that's you have a very good backup team, and maybe maximum 1-2 hours you are getting back to us by mail or whatever it is,
Okay.
by over WhatsApp or mail. Yeah.
Did you ever buy it from the other factories before?
Yeah.
Do you think we have the difference?
Yeah, we have difference in welding and in the quality basis also in the control panel quality. It's different from the others. Motor also is good actually. Motor also is not as same as it's equivalent to Siemens and other companies. Yeah,
brands.
yeah,
And
correct.
also we have put some small tips there to
Okay.
help you operate. Once there is a fault occurs, at least your worker, your engineer, they can look for that.
Easy to work and
Yeah, easy to work.
Yeah, correct. Yeah.
Thank you, Mr. Raju.
Thank you.
a lot.
Thank you.
for your
Yeah, thank you.
appreciation.
Bye.
Okay.
Yeah, thanks.
Thank you.